Patrick at Pals. Did you know that Carfax made us a top-rated shop in 2020? Our customers have spoken. Most repairs at Pals Ocala Auto Repair are covered by a TechNet warranty that gives you 3 years or 36,000 miles nationwide. That means if you buy the repair in Ocala and you have a problem in Houston, Texas, it's covered parts and labor. That's security and peace of mind. That's what you get with most purchases at Pals Ocala Auto Repair. How do you pay for your car at Pals? Well, we accept cash, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Synchrony, Snap, and American Express. Well, Patrick, what is Snap? Well, Snap is a way to finance any car repair. It's a Snap at Pals. You get a 100-day cash payoff, early buyout discount, instant store approval, easy payment options, and no credit is needed. It's a Snap to pay for car repairs at Pals. Want longer to pay with interest-free? We have Synchrony. Synchrony Finance gives you 6 months interest-free financing on purchases of $199 or more at Pals Ocala Auto Repair. This is a wonderful program, and it's an excellent way to pay for any car repair at Pals. If you have a car and it needs repair, come to Pals. We've got options for you to take it home today. See you soon.